Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I'm making a cozy one-pot chicken dish with creamy sauce, white beans, mushrooms, and spinach. Let's get started. I'm starting by adding a couple of tablespoons of olive oil to a pan and heating it over medium heat. For the chicken, I'm using about 2 pounds or roughly 900 grams of bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Now you can use breast meat if you like that, but I really like the taste that the chicken thighs gives to this. I'm adding them into the pan, skin side down. Next, I'm seasoning the chicken thighs with a little bit of salt, smoked paprika, and fresh ground black pepper. I let the chicken sear for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, seasoning it as I turn it until it's golden on both sides. When the chicken is nicely browned, I'll take it out of the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, I'm adding 8 ounces or 225 grams of sliced mushrooms, and I'm going to let them cook until they're nicely browned, about 5 to 6 minutes. Next, I'm adding in a medium diced onion, about 150 grams, and I'm going to cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes until softened. Next, I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a little heat, but this step is optional if you prefer a milder dish. Now I'm adding in 3 cloves of minced garlic, and I'm going to cook that for about 30 seconds to a minute until just fragrant. I'm adding in 1 cup or 240 milliliters of chicken broth. This will form the base for our sauce. Next, I'm going to stir in a teaspoon of Italian seasoning to give that sauce a nice herby flavor. Now I'm going to pour in a half of a cup or 120 milliliters of heavy cream, or you can use half and half. This will make the sauce nice and creamy. At this point, I'm letting the sauce come to a simmer so all the flavors can meld together and the sauce will thicken up slightly. To the sauce, I'm adding a 1/4 cup or 25 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. I'm adding in now a 15-ounce can of cannellini beans, that's roughly 425 grams, and those are drained and rinsed. To the pan, I'm adding 3 cups of fresh spinach, that's roughly 90 grams, and I'm going to stir that until it wilts, about 1 to 2 minutes. I'm returning the chicken thighs back to the sauce. Then I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low and let the chicken simmer in the sauce for about 8 to 10 minutes, allowing the chicken to fully cook. The internal temperature of the chicken needs to be at a minimum of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Also, the sauce will thicken slightly. I cover the pot with the lid, allowing the chicken and sauce to cook through. I'm using a digital thermometer to check that the chicken has reached that 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius to ensure that it's fully cooked. I like to taste the sauce now to make sure the seasoning is just right, adding a bit more salt and pepper if necessary. I'm grating a little fresh Parmesan Reggiano over the top for extra flavor and richness. A little fresh lemon juice over the top adds brightness and balances the richness of the sauce. I'm serving this creamy chicken with some fluffy white rice. Everything looks absolutely amazing together. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking inspirations.